Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports dual SIM and selecting which SIM will carry data. This matters because one SIM often handles data while the other handles calls. Insert the primary SIM into slot 1 and the second SIM into slot 2, then restart the phone to register both networks. Once done, go to Settings Network Mobile Data and enable Mobile Data. Make sure to set the default data SIM now, because that determines which operator provides internet when both are active. Next, configure how the phone switches between SIMs for data and why each choice matters. First, in Mobile Network Settings, select the preferred SIM for data. This avoids dropped connections. Then enable 4G or 5G on the chosen SIM to get full speeds, and turn on data roaming only if traveling, to avoid unexpected charges. Use per-app data controls or a data saver to limit heavy apps to one SIM. This helps you preserve costly plans while keeping essential apps online. To finish, test the setup. Run a speed test on the selected data SIM and browse to confirm stability, because real use reveals issues not shown in menus. If connectivity is flaky, toggle airplane mode or briefly switch the default data SIM, then switch back. This forces a fresh network registration. Make sure APN settings match your carrier. Re-enter them if data won't connect. If problems persist, contact the carrier with your ICSID and signal details, but most issues resolve after a restart and APN check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.